Today we will talk about quark structure, which is very important topic for NET and JRF. Sometimes question arises on quark model that a particle is made of up-down stage quark. Identify charge is isospin and stageness, etc. So what is quark? For gathering hadrons, which elementary particles are used known as quark. And a quark have a spin half particle. So we have six kind of quarks: up, down, charm, strange, top and bottom. If we talk about isospin, then isospin is half for up and down quark, but 0 for remaining all. If we talk about third component of isospin, then it is half for up quark and minus half for down quark and 0 for remaining. If we talk about charge, then we have cut. What is cut means? For charm, for up and for top, charge will be 2 by 3. And for remaining, charge will be minus 1 by 3. If we talk about strangeness, so strangeness will be minus 1 for strange particle and 0 for remaining. If we talk about topness, then topness will be 1 for top particle and 0 for remaining. If we talk about bottomness, then bottomness will be minus 1 for bottom particle and 0 for remaining. If we talk about charmness, then charmness will be 1 for charm particle and 0 for remaining. If we talk about baryonic number, then baryonic number will be 1 by 3 for all. Means it is a very easy classification. We have another kind of classification because we all know that hadrons is made of mesons and baryons. So mesons are made of quark and antiquark elementary particle, and baryons are made of 3 quark elementary particle. Let's take an example. If we talk about proton, we know that proton is a baryon, and we know that proton has charge plus 1, and we know that proton has isospin 1 by 2, and the third component of isospin equals to 1 by 2. We say that proton is made of up and down elementary quark. Let's check its property, that it is satisfying or not. At first check charge, because up quark has charge 2 by 3, up quark has charge 2 by 3 and down quark has charge minus 1 by 3, cut. So it has total charge plus 1. So proton has charge plus 1. Now check strangeness of proton. Because we know that proton has strangeness 0. It is not a strange particle. Let's check right hand side. Because strangeness of up and down has 0 strangeness, so total strangeness is 0. So strangeness also satisfying here. Let's check isospin. Because isospin of up and down is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. And in my previous lecture, I have discussed that isospin is a vector additive quantity. So it will vary from 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equals to 1 plus 1 by 2 to 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equals to 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. So isospin of right hand side is 1 by 2, and we all know that isospin of proton is also 1 by 2. Let's check third component of isospin. Because we all know that proton has third component of isospin equals to 1 by 2. Let's check in right hand side. Because third component of up quark is 1 by 2 and down quark is minus 1 by 2. So total third component is equals to 1 by 2, which is also satisfied here. Now check baryonic number. Because we all know that quark has baryonic number 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 equals to 1. So proton is a baryon, so it has also a baryonic number equals to 1. Now take a second example of neutron. Because we all know that neutron has charge 0 and strangeness equals to 0, baryonic number equals to 1 and isospin equals to 1 by 2 and third component of isospin equals to minus 1 by 2. Let's check by which this neutron is formed. If we take a combination of UDD, because U had charge 2 by 3 and down had charge minus 1 by 3. So total charge is 0, which is also satisfying here. Now check strangeness. Because up down is not a strange particle, so its strangeness will be 0 for these all, which is also satisfying here. Let's check isospin. Because isospin of up and down quark is 1 by 2. So total isospin is vector additive quantity. So it will vary from 1 plus 1 by 2 to 1 minus 1 by 2. So 3 by 2 to 1 by 2. So UUD also has 1 by 2 isospin, and we know that neutron also has isospin equals to 1 by 2. Let's check third component of isospin. Because we all know that third component of isospin for up quark is 1 by 2 and for down quark is minus 1 by 2. When we add these all, then we get minus 1 by 2. And we also know that neutron has isospin, third component of isospin equals to minus 1 by 2. Let's check baryonic number. Because baryonic number for all quark is 1 by 3. So total baryonic number is 1 and we all know that neutron is a baryon. Now we are discussing a question which come in December 2016. A particle which is a composite state of 3 quarks up, down and strange has electric charge and spin and strangeness equals to, means we have to find its charge, spin and strangeness. We have 4 options. Because it is made of up, down and strange, so up, down and strange, so at first we have to check its charge. Because we know that up quark has charge 2 by 3, down quark has charge minus 1 by 3 and strange quark has charge minus 1 by 3. So total charge is equals to 0. Second one, we have to check spin. Because we all know that quark is half spin particle. So for up spin is half, for down spin is half, for strange spin is half. Because we all know that spin is also vector additive quantity. So it will vary for 1 plus 1 by 2 to 1 minus 1 by 2. That means 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. Third thing which we have to check, it is strangeness. Because strangeness for up and down is 0 and strangeness for strange particle is minus 1. So strangeness is minus 1. So which option will be correct? 0, 1 by 2 and minus 1. That means C option will be correct for this.